Hello everyone! I'm very excited about this tutorial today because this is going to be the first steps in downloading your code to our circuit playground. The first thing I want you to do is type in make code, one word, and I want you to choose the Adafruit Make Code website. Once you get to this screen, you're going to click on New Project. And then it's going to bring you to our creation screen. So over here you're going to see the simulator for our circuit playground. This is our box toolbar, and over here is our workspace. So the very first thing you're going to do is you're going to title your code. We're going to label this one Introduction. Once you have it titled, then you may create your code. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to just make a very simple code. I want to show animation. I'm going to keep the rainbow lights. I'm going to set it at 1000 milliseconds. Now you're going to drag it and slip it into your forever loop in the event handle. And over here you will see your code that you've created. Now in order to apply this to our circuit board, we're going to click on Download. When your code pops up in the lower left hand corner, you're not going to actually click on it. You're going to click on the arrow. And you're going to choose Show in Folder. Whenever it brings it into your folder, you should see your code highlighted. And then you're going to click and drag your code into where it says Playbook. And now it is downloaded into your circuit playground. And these are the steps that you'll follow each time to apply to get your code from the screen to your circuit playground.